On the issue of Adani, however, the Telangana government has also backtracked, seemingly because for the Congress, this meant that they were on a back foot while attacking the BJP on Adani. Remember that the Adani Group has signed several MOUs with the Telangana government. One among that is that they also offered funds for the Young India Skills University. The Telangana government has rejected these funds and in a significant move today has announced that the funding proposal of 100 crores from the Adani Group will not be accepted. You had Chief Minister Revanth Reddy holding a press conference and saying that we reiterate we will not accept this money because we don't want any controversy and we want nothing to do with the entire bribery allegations. This is for the Young India Skills University, for which several corporates donate funds, and so did the Adani Group. Now, amid all of the ongoing controversies, and because the Congress essentially every time they raise this, including when Rahul Gandhi raised it, is always countered with the question of what about the MOUs that are signed with the Telangana government? What about the 100 crore funding that the Adani Group has pledged for the Young India Skills University in Telangana? Facing that controversy repeatedly, you've got Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister, today making it clear that they will not accept that money.
क्योंकि अदानी ग्रुप से मैं किसी पार्टी के लिए, हमारे कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए नहीं तो हमारे परिवार के लिए एक पैसा नहीं लिए. CSR कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फंड्स हम अदानी से 100 crores इन प्रिंसिपल वी हैव टेकन ए लेटर. अभी तक एक पैसा भी हमारे तेलंगाना सरकार के खाता में नहीं आया. कुछ कम 3 लाख करोड़ रुपए बजट है तेलंगाना राज्य के, तो उसमें 100 करोड़ रुपए के लिए हम लोग इतना एलिगेशंस फेस करने का जरूरत नहीं है. तो कंट्रोवर्सी से दूर रहने के लिए हमारे राज्य सरकार ने ये निर्णय लिया हुआ है. हमारे ऊपर कोई किसी ने दबावट करने वाले नहीं है. किसी ने दबावट किए तो हम लोग सुनने वाले भी नहीं है.
Okay, so that's the Congress essentially beefing up its attack on the Adani issue.